Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel YouTube, Phnom Penh Walk. Today, I'm driving across the Chroy Changva Bridge, also known as the Cambodia-Japanese Friendship Bridge. It is a 709-meter bridge that crosses the Tonle Sap River in Phnom Penh. Originally built in 1963, with Japanese aid, severely damaged during the Civil War in 1972 and 1973, it remained closed until it reopened on the 26th of February 1994. This is Prum Bayon Circle, a beautiful park, packed with a small monument. It is actually a roundabout, located in the junction between National Road No. 6, just at the mouth of China-Cambodia Japan-Cambodia Friendship Bridge spanning over the Mekong River and Chroy Changva. But, knowing the park's location is the very busy junction, it seems that you can never enjoy its beautifulness, because how can you enjoy it? While the roundabout is very busy and dust everywhere, you can enjoy this park from a distance apart, I guess. Lovely plants and clean steps encircle this statue at the roundabout at the island side of the Cambodia-Japan Friendship Bridge. Neen Kinri is located on the East Chroy Changva Bridge, and has the most beautiful pictures. This is Neen Marcha Roundabout, one of the beautiful roundabouts in Phnom Penh. Nice view, fresh air. During evening, many people come here to relax, enjoying the view, doing exercise, taking photo, meet up and drink and talk. And especially a lot of people will show up in the weekend. Also, there are many restaurant, small food shop and even people who walk to sell some snacks and beverages. While I do exercise in the morning, around 5 a.m. I can see some food carts still serve the foods. Nice. We hope you like and enjoyed watching this video. Please help to share and subscribe to get new videos from us. And kindly let me know if you have any suggestions. Thanks you and have a good day to you and your family. Best of luck of you all.